Phrasal verbs related to cleaning. First one, clean up. To remove dirt or waste. Could you please lend me a hand to clean up the kitchen? Next one, pick up. The action of lifting something from the floor. Could you please pick up those lemons? Wash up. To make neat and clean by washing. Could you please wash up the dishes before you go to bed? Sweep out. Clean an area by sweeping. Could you please sweep out the room? Clean out. To empty and clean the inside of something. Could you please clean out that cluttered cabinet? Wipe off. To clean a surface using a cloth or sponge. Could you please wipe off the oil from the counter? Scrub out. To remove dirt by scrubbing. Could you please scrub out the stain from my favorite curtain? Brush off. To remove dirt or dust by brushing away. Could you please brush off the sofa? Mop up. To clean the floor by using a mop. Could you please mop up the sticky floor?